Facts and latest review about Cinderella Solution. In this video, we are going to provide you complete details about Cinderella Solution. We all know that being overweight is so weird, and everyone wants a perfect body. That's why people try different tips and tricks to lose weight quickly, but these tricks does not provide long-lasting effects. Moreover, these shortcuts have some side effects too, and most of the time, weight becomes doubled. Women most especially experience weight issues due to bad habits of eating unhealthy food and lack of exercise. Most of the time, women gain weight after marriage and after giving birth due to hormonal issues. But they want to be slim and smart at every age because fitness matters a lot. In order to lose weight, a simple and safest solution is needed for quick weight loss. You don't need to stress out. Here is the best solution for women, Cinderella Solution. Nowadays, this is a favorite product for weight loss, and women are trying this product for quick weight loss with no side effects. What is Cinderella Solution? A hardworking woman invented this fantastic idea of a weight loss program. Although weight loss supplements are available, which are not gender specific, however sometimes it is not an easy task to follow up these supplements. Hence the need for a weight loss program that is effective for obese people and easy to follow up. Besides, the Cinderella Solution program causes no stress and no extra hardcore workout routine is required. Cinderella Solution gives people a combination of meals that follow a biochemical reaction in the process of metabolism that reduces fatty acid accumulation. This makes it a perfect plan. Moreover, the solution helps people in avoiding gaining weight, which causes severe cardiovascular diseases. It provides a combination of meals, avoids strenuous exercises from your routine, and helps you stay healthier. Who is the creator of Cinderella Solution? A woman called Carly Donovan, who was obese before and now part of the weight loss business for about 10 years, created Cinderella Solution. She has been considered an agent for the positive change in the weight loss journey of so many people that have passed through her program. She found out that women of countries like China, Japan, and Spain don't have weight loss problems as compared to women in other countries. She did a lot of research to find out the reason why, and she was able to come up with the solution to weight loss issues in a program she named the Cinderella Solution. How Cinderella Solution works. This process needs 28 days. It consists of 2 phases. Each phase comprises of 14 days. Ignite phase. The first phase of this process is known as Ignite. It requires that you eat meals 3 times a day. This phase will activate your hormones to help in weight loss. Launch phase. In the second stage, you eat meals 4 times a day. These meals should be based on components that are helpful in weight loss. To get the maximum benefits, you must combine the following foods: apples and chocolate, mint and green tea, fish, garlic, ricotta and sweet potatoes. These foods boost up your metabolism and burn your fat, thus help in weight loss. What are the benefits of the Cinderella Solution? There are various benefits of Cinderella Solution for women because it helps in weight loss quickly. Here are a few plus points of this product. This product helps you to understand the nutritional value of foods. It helps you to choose healthy food items for your daily meals. It provides various tips for quick fat loss. This product suggests the best timing for sleep. Cinderella Solution helps to reduce the aging process. Who can use Cinderella Solution? Cinderella Solution is basically manufactured for women of all age groups and races. If you want to get rid of prescription drugs, then it is best to use the Cinderella Solution as it has no side effects, unlike prescribed drugs. If you want to see quick change and want to be in shape, then you must try this Cinderella Solution. For women who are too busy to join a gym, then this is pretty helpful for them. If you once burnt fat and reduced some weight but gained it back after some time, then you must buy Cinderella Solution. What is the process involved in the Cinderella Solution? The accuracy and benefits of the Cinderella Solution have inspired so many people at different levels. The specifics of the Cinderella Solution are divided into various distinct parts, which are so essential to be discussed. First part. This part is related to elaborated instructions and an introduction to the new programs. It gives the best ways to continue your journey and to make it successful. This also includes all the information on the food, the best of their kinds, and various flavor profiles are considered too. The first part deals with critical phases of the programs, for example, ignite and launch. Second part. Part 2 provides a regular meal preparation plan with 14 days given calendar. This diet plan is very healthy and has succeeded in nourishing people and helped those who wanted to lose some weight. Meals and their full recipes are also available. With this detailed information, it is effortless to follow a meal plan and make you all healthy and slim, and it saves you from a lot of cardiovascular diseases. Third part. The third part of the Cinderella Solution is basically focused on providing the users with complete information about their relevant issues. It promotes the intake of low-calorie diets, which are very healthy from a nutritional point of view. This section helps people in making the best decisions according to their health requirements. Fourth part. This part will give you the top 10 most popular flavors and weight loss low-calorie diets, and it is extremely low in carbs. It gives colorful food combinations which are delicious and healthy as well. Where to purchase Cinderella Solution? Cinderella Solution program is not expensive and easy to purchase online from the website. Link to their official website is in the description below. Its price is just $37, so every woman can afford this weight loss program. After purchasing the program, the website will allow you to download detailed information on your laptop, phone, or tablet. The plus point of this program is that it offers a 60-day money-back guarantee if you did not like this weight loss product. Pros of Cinderella Solution. This program is perfectly designed for women according to their body composition. Cinderella Solution is available at a reasonable price. It helps to eliminate health issues in women that are obese. Cinderella Solution provides diet plan and healthy recipes. It is easy to download from the website. This product contains multiple programs which are easy to adopt. This product comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. A reliable and effective program for weight loss. Cons of Cinderella Solution. No doubt Cinderella Solution has multiple advantages, but it has a few drawbacks. For example, it is a weight loss product designed for women only. It is a weight loss program that has no calorie count system. Final words. Nowadays, a lot of women are suffering from weight gain problems and don't know what to do. The Cinderella Solution provides complete guidance to women of all age groups who are facing weight gain issues. This product is not magic and therefore won't make you slim overnight. However, if you are persistent and consistent, you will see positive changes sooner than later. You have to follow all the steps on a daily basis to see weight loss results, because doing this will help you get rid of extra pounds permanently. The program has different packages that are pretty effective for those that buy into it, and thus it is highly recommended for anyone seeking long-lasting weight loss that leaves no side effects. FAQs. Is Cinderella Solution legit? Absolutely yes. It's a real solution, created and run by real people. It's been around for some time now and has been helpful to some many, by helping them achieve their weight loss goals. One thing you should however be careful of, is that of fake websites acting as Cinderella's website. That's why we highly recommend you use the link in the description below. Doing this, you are guaranteed that you will not be falling prey to scammers. Does it contain any strange supplements or exotic herbs? No, the program has natural and authentic ingredients. Are the exercises not easy to do and require you to join a gym? All the activities are not difficult nor tricky. There is no need to go to the gym and weight loss can be done at home. Moreover, the program contains many exercises, and you can choose for yourself which one you want to do. Is the program available in a physical format like hard copy? The program is only available in soft form, but you can print them at home if you want a hard copy. What if I face some difficulty in understanding this program? You can ask any question from the author through their website, find link below. In addition to this, you can also comment here, and we will try to attend to you in the best way possible. Please share this video, leave a like and subscribe to our channel if you find this information helpful. Thanks for watching.